Hello everybody, thank you for coming to my channel. It's Wendy with Wendy's Paper Junk, and I have a fun little how-to project. I'm not even going to tell you what it is until I get it done, and hopefully you guys will do it with me. You need a bone folder, need some glue stick, and some tape, scotch tape, you know, some type of tape, and you need a piece of paper that's 8.5 by 11. And after you do this, you can use various sizes once you know what we're doing. All right, so I just have a piece of scrapbook paper, but it's thin. I don't know how well heavy cardstock will do. I haven't tried it out of cardstock yet, but this is one side. If it's double-sided, you don't have to worry, but with one side, you want the pattern facing up. All right. And you want to fold it in half and use your bone folder or card or whatever to make a good crease. Open it back up. Then you're going to fold it to the center. And you're going to fold this side to the center. All right, and then one of these flaps, it doesn't matter which, you're going to bring it back. You're going to fold it back till it's even with the edge here. Just like that, okay? After you get this point done, you're going to flip it over, okay? So when you flip it over, all right, you have these two ends. Okay, so this end, you want to fold it back a good ½ inch. Let me double check my fold here. Actually, that's a fib. It's practically an inch. So no less than a ½ inch, but I fold an inch. Okay. This end, and then you want to turn around, and then we're going to fold this over an inch. Okay. Now, you can glue these down. Okay. These flaps here like this and glue them down, but I recommend get some tape, and you want to tape these edges down just like that, because there's, so even if you just go like this, I'll use, and all right, and let's just, oops, I knew I was gonna do something. All right, and then I just kind of make sure nice and pressed. Okay, so then you want to fold back like this. Oh, here, like this. And when you want to fold it, all right, and then open this back up. You want to glue it down. So you fold it and you glue it down just like this. All right, then this inside pocket here, keep that facing up, and you're going to fold this in half, side to side, just like this. And this is when get your crease. All right, and then here we go. You open it up, and you have, you have a card slot there. You have a card slot here. And then you open it up, and you have a wallet here. Now, okay, so it is a wallet. Now, the thing is, I still have not figured out how there's not, you can't, if it's not double-sided, you're going to end up having a white sheet like this. I'll show you what it does. Here, let's do one more. Here, I did one out of just a blank piece of copy paper. All right, you know, you have your card, and then you put something back here. Maybe some money. Maybe a letter. Okay, so let me show you the opposite way. I just been pulling from my maps because I like my maps. Oops. Oh! Mayday, mayday. All right, so instead of face up, I'm going to do it face down so I can show you the difference between the two. So we fold them in half. All right, then we fold to the center. And then we turn it around and we fold this to the center. Let's just try to, all right. Then you're going to pick one of them, doesn't matter what, to fold down. See, that hides your inside pocket, but that's okay. I just wanted you guys to see. All right, so after you fold this down, you're gonna flip it over. All right, and then you're gonna fold the edges a good 1/2 inch to 1 inch. All right. And then this side. And then once again, you can glue these down, but for wanting to make sure the pockets stay, I just feel better if I put some Scotch tape on it. All right. All right, and then you're going to fold this. Make sure everything's nice and even. And then open it back up and see, then you glue this down. But, and like I said, see, I waste the whole printed side of the paper. So literally the only thing that you're gonna see, so after you get that glued down, here's the that half pocket that stays on the inside, and then you fold it like this. So now the outside of the wallet, you have the map, and then the inside is blank, which is fine because you could decorate it. So, oh, mine's a little smaller. So you have your pockets, and then you have the long opening. So if let's say we want to cover this, I would recommend, let me get out some matchy-matchy. Here, let's just use some green. Some green. Alright, so I don't think, oops. I don't think I would layer this back piece because I think it'll add bulk, okay? But if you want to do this, I would actually, let's see here. Oh my, where's my scissors? And then kind of might make it, let's see if I can cut straight. We all know that's a problem for me. All right, so then if you want, because you don't want it too bulky where the folds are. So and of course I cut it crooked. Of course I did. Actually, where's my... Y'all know what I'm looking for, right? Shoot me now. I got such a mess. Oh, here. So the other side, let's make the other side the same size. So I will just cut these. Paper, paper, paper. Where's my quarter rounder? Okay, because I think I'm just going to... All right. Round them. And then we'll just glue these in place. And then let's glue this one. And you probably could have inked it or painted it, or, you know, made, you know, different colors, whatever, you know, you wanted to do. But just... Now, I'll probably put, you know, a sentiment or some words here. And there we go. And you can put it in a pocket. You can paper clip it to your journal, or you can just put it in an envelope and mail it. So, oops, let me see. So here is the one, okay, where the print side is face up, okay? So then you have the inside, okay? And then it'd probably be easier to decorate the outside, okay? So, like, well, let's just do it again real quick. So just, and then I'll have 2 done. So basically the same thing. Just leave yourself a little hair bit of a border, and try to cut straight. Actually, might as well make the 2 while I'm at it. Once again, I would not wrap this like, I wouldn't wrap it like this because it would put too much bulk on it. So let's see. And like I said, I haven't inked anything or nothing. This is just a quick how-to, and well, my cutting's a little off, but you guys will get the gist of it. from... Okay. So this will give you some options here. Okay, so this one, remember the pattern paper was face up. So that means you decorate the outside and then the printed paper will be on the inside. Okay. So there's that. Pattern paper down. Okay. This is what you get. You get the image on the outside and then you decorate the inside. And of course, it's white on the inside too. Like I said, if this was double-sided, you wouldn't have a problem with this. Okay. But, you know, the stuff like this don't bother me. And I think it's, you know. And then plain paper. Plain paper. Have your little... And then your opening. And decorate it as you see fit. Or not at all. So these are paper wallets. Which can be used any way you want. I was thinking Happy Mail. Note cards, if you want to make little note cards, or stamps, little stamps, and put your little letter or some fun coffee stain paper in here and fold it up. And you can even tie a ribbon around it, or even put a ribbon underneath of this before you glue this and tie it. So there is paper wallets. All right. Fast, fun, easy, and I'm at 17 minutes. I did good. I did good. Okay. I'm patting myself on the back. So, fun little project. So quick to make, and you could do whatever you want to them. But I will say this. The reason why I have you guys tape those edges down is because that's this edge. So when you pull on this, you could potentially pop that open. So that's why I have you tape it down before you glue it. And so it's just added security. Okay. Let me know what you think. If you've made these, or if you're going to make them, let me know. Like, subscribe, share, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.